Do you offer a fixed price or hourly rate for presale cleaning in Melbourne?
We charge a clear hourly rate based on the number of professional cleaners assigned to your job, with a minimum booking of 2 cleaners for 5 hours, 10 total cleaning hours. Our Presale cleaning rate, $70 per hour per cleaner, inclusive of all equipment, high-grade products, and travel within 20 kilometers of Melbourne CBD, will tailor your quote based on property size and number of rooms, add-on services like steam cleaning or pressure washing, scope of work, full house versus kitchen bathroom only, timeline urgency, standard or last minute. Before confirming, we'll give you a detailed estimate of hours required, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, options for fixed quotes on large or multi-service jobs. Our goal is to help you sell faster, for more, and we'll make sure every dollar you spend delivers a strong return.